We initially started out just buying and selling odd little parts and sending them to America, Canada, Australia. It just spiraled from there really. Around the time the company name came along, I was still working from a shed in my dad's back garden that set on fire because my dad decided he wanted to have a fire next to it. So we knocked that down, built a new shed. It's still there today. We rented a 2,000 square foot unit. That worked quite well for probably 6 months, and then we needed a bigger place, so we rented another 2,000 square foot, and then that turned into a third 2,000 square foot. And then after all the noise we were making and all the smoke we were producing, one of the neighbours decided that they didn't want their unit anymore, so we ended up with about 7,000 square foot worth of units. So we knew if we were going to be moving anywhere, we'd need to move to either one place bigger or build a zone. But I'm from Yorkshire, very tight.